Magical Turtle. Some of the part is remaining of that chapter and we will be continuing from there. Magical Turtle, we have done basically three things. One is your pen erase command, in which we used to rub the commands which were wrong. Then we have done PU and PD command, that is for pen up and pen down. Like you used to make 2 figures, 3 figures together on one screen with the help of PU and PD command. Now the last part of this chapter is repeat command. Now repeat command is very interesting command, in that what we do is, whatever thing we are repeated again and again, whatever the commands we are repeating again and again, we can do it with the help of repeat command. Like if we are making a square, like if just see, if I am making a square, what I will do, FD 40, RT 90, 2 commands I have written, and again I have to do FD 40 and then RT 90. So here you can see 2 commands, FD 40 and RT 90 is repeated again, second time, right? Now again I have to do FD 40 and RT 90. So the same command is repeated thrice, and for completing this figure again I will do FD 40 and RT 90 to turn it back. So again what you can observe here is that we have repeated 1, 2, 3 and 4. Same 2 commands we have repeated 4 times. So instead of writing it again and again, we can directly do it with the help of repeat command. Now what repeat command is, like in repeat command, if you'll see here, what is the repeat command? Like this, like 2 commands which you are repeating again and again will be coming in a square bracket like this, and this 2 is how many times you have repeated the command. Like in this example which we have done about the square, we have repeated number of time is 4, and command we have repeated is FD 40 and RT 90. So this is the syntax of repeat command, like repeat, number of times and command. So instead of writing it again and again, we can directly give a single command and we get the figure. Let's check it out how. So I will do CS here, and I will do the same square with the help of repeat command. So repeat 4 bracket FD 40 RT 90, and I will just press enter. You will see directly square will be displayed. So this is the way you can make many figures by only using repeat command. There are many other things we will be discussing next class. For this class you just practice making a square with the help of repeat command, and you can even practice what you can else other thing. You can just explore what will happen if I write repeat 4 and I write 2 different commands here, FD 80 and RT 90. What will happen here? What is the difference between this one and this one? It will also make a square, but the size of the square, as it was 40 here, now it is 80. So size of the square will be bigger. So if I make it again, I want a big square. So I will write FD suppose 200 and RT 90. RT will be always 90 because I have to turn to straight to 90 degree. I don't want to turn it to any other particular angle. So it will be 90, and it will make a, because I have not done CS, that's why this is already displayed and this again has come. So I want to make one other big figure. FD repeat 4 FD, it was 200 earlier, now I will take 400 RT 90. Now check it out. So this way you can make squares. So this is very interesting thing. More about this we will be discussing in next class. Till next week, please practice making a square of different size. Alright.